The remittance market has gained growth over time, with dynamics in the global job market ultimately benefiting many countries as remittance deductions and remittance-backed investments are realized. Ugandans in the diaspora can now be domestically banked for in investment initiatives, as demonstrated in the coalition between one of the local remittance housing finance bank and the Uganda North American Association.
Cementing relationship that we started many years back. The Housing Finance Bank has had a history of dealing, of relationship with UNA. By the way, you should understand what UNA is. When we say UNA, we say it because we know it. But we are talking about the Ugandan community in North America. We're talking about our brothers and sisters out there in the US. And this is such a big place to continue. So we are talking about Ugandans out there.
Ghana has been one of those African countries particularly successful in tapping into its diasporas for local investment. Recent reports indicate that the country has seen a significant increase in foreign direct investment, driven in parts by efforts to attract investment from its diaspora and local investors. Uganda North American Association President Henrietta Wamara believes that the coalition between Housing Finance Bank is yet to quench the needs of investment-oriented Ugandans abroad.
We have usually had one bank that we send people to go and do banking in terms of transactions with UNA accounts in Uganda. But we felt that we had to venture out there and step away from the monopoly. So the best bank that we could see out there that actually meets our needs as diaspora, meets the needs of those people that transact here in Uganda, especially those that are coming to UNA, was Housing Finance.
Despite the significant contribution to the Ugandan economy, challenges such as fraud has been noted as increasingly prevalent, a major concern for both bankers and customers.
The remittances are quite phenomenal and big in terms of contribution to GDP. So there are many investment opportunities here in Uganda, and we are saying that we are that bank. Don't miss out on the opportunity to exploit the opportunities that are here. We've got very exciting instruments, investment opportunities for you in terms of bonds, long-term, long-dated instruments, bonds. We've got many other instruments that we believe you Ugandans out there can actually invest in.
Didn't know is the advisory service. If I want to come and get a loan from Housing Finance Bank and I want to build a house, Housing Finance Bank has people they work with that can help me to even maybe accrue the loan, of course, here at the bank, that will help me look at the land that I'm trying to buy, make sure that the land is legit, make sure the land is registered, because these are the things that we find as problems while we live in the diaspora. You'll find that so many people are buying land that is either not registered, that you may find someone buying land 3 times because there was no due diligence in terms of making sure that it is legit. So Housing Finance is giving us such a product which we didn't know. And of course, we need that ease when we are doing banking. Personally, I have banked with other banks and I've had challenges. I have just opened an account here and I can assure you that it has been as seamless as possible. I can be able to access my account online. I can be able to do business whenever I want. So these are some of the things that we are looking at as diaspora. Now, when you look at UNA as a corporate account, our UNA accounts are of course audited. We have to make sure that things are being done correctly, and we have to make sure that we are also doing business timely. For example, we have financials that are quarterly. If I want quarterly reports to be done, I don't want to be going through a third party to just get statements and all that. When you have an account in Housing Finance, whether it's corporate or personal, like I said, you can easily get access to that account.
According to World Bank remittance data, Uganda remittance record is estimated at $1.6 billion, attributed to a steady increase in the number of Ugandans living and working abroad, ease of access to remittance services. Smar24 TV, Business Today.